this video, we'll walk you through a series of simple, effective steps to resolve the Discord update failure and get you back online in no time. First, right-click your Discord shortcut. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Run the program as administrator. Press Apply and then OK. Open Discord. Press Yes.
First, open Start and type Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. Right-click your Discord process. Select End Task. Now close your Task Manager. Press your Windows key +R. Type %AppData%. Press OK. Delete the Discord folder. Press your Windows key +R. Type %LocalAppData%. Press OK. Delete the Discord folder. Open Discord.